Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can make a pump fund meme coin successfully. First thing you want to do is search for pump.fun to go to the official website, and then you have to click on start a new coin over here. So what you have to do is put in the name, the ticker, the description, and the image or video. So let's say the name we want to put in as Zain Malik, and then the ticker would be Zain if that is available. Description is this is a meme coin of Zain Malik. Please don't buy. And we have to create an image. Upload an image. So let's say I just search Zain Malik and I'm going to take any picture of him. Let's say we've taken this image. So what all we'll do is click on select file, downloads, select this image, and then click on create coin, and then how many do you want to buy. And let's say that I do not want to buy any, so I'm just going to click on create coin and let this be loaded up. As you can see, created new coin, and if I tap on view coin, this is the market cap is automatically at 4.67 4,647, the Zain Malik meme coin, and it has been done. So this has been created off chain, which means the developer may appear different to the actual coin creator. This basically means that I'm not the actual uh, owner of this. I'm not the actual person who has made this coin. But yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.